Hi guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So, this video gata ng energy check para po sa may mga Sun, Moon at Rising na Gemini. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share at gamit natin tong card na to. Okay. So, Gemini, your card is the Ten of Swords. Paalala lang ha, ng card sa'yo, that may tinatawag tayong law of attraction. In simplest explanation, kung naramdaman mo, iniisip mo, sinasabi at ginagawa mo, yun yung future mo. So this time, in-encourage ka ng Ten of Swords. Kumaga, dito mo kontrolin lahat. This is where you manifest. Huwag mong i-box yung possibilities na pwede mong ma-achieve, pwede mong makuha. Kasi the more mong sinasabi or parang tinitreat yung isang bagay as a joke or sinasabi mo na, ay, hindi ko kaya yan or imposibleng mangyari yan. Guess what? That is the energy na nire-release mo. You need to change it in a way na andoon na your energy mo will call doon sa mga bagay na matagal mo nang dinedesire. Hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And subscribe, like, and share para magkita tayo sa next videos.